Journey begins in sprawling avocado groves, premium fruit destined for cold-pressed oil extraction.
Dark purple skin indicates peak oil content. Perfect ripeness critical for premium oil quality.
Gentle harvesting prevents bruising damage. Careful handling maintains oil quality from start.
Collection center aggregates harvest efficiently. Organized receiving protects fruit from heat.
Expert hands recognize perfect harvest moment. Experience determines optimal oil content timing.
Padded bins protect oil-rich fruit. Gentle collection prevents quality degradation. Ventilated crates maintain fruit temperature. Air circulation prevents ripening acceleration. Refrigerated transport maintains optimal temperature. Cold chain preserving oil quality.
Processing facility receives harvest within hours. Rapid processing preserves maximum oil quality. Pits become compost or animal feed. Zero waste processing of all byproducts.
Air drying removes surface water. Dry fruit ready for cutting and depitting.
Minimal time from harvest to processing. Speed maintains premium oil characteristics. Climate-controlled facility maintains consistent conditions. Temperature stability critical for quality.
Only premium fruit proceeds to oil extraction. Quality standards enforced at collection.
Post-wash inspection removes any damaged fruit. Quality maintained through systematic selection. Precision cutting creates perfect halves. Blade geometry follows natural fruit shape. Automated depitting removes pit cleanly. Mechanical extraction preserves maximum flesh.
Automated cutting processes hundreds per minute. Mechanical efficiency for commercial production.
Skins contain beneficial compounds for composting. Every component utilized sustainably.
Halved fruit ready for flesh separation. Skin removal, extracting valuable oil-rich pulp.
Blending creates smooth puree. Cell structure breakdown releases trapped oil.
Smooth, homogeneous puree ready for extraction. Consistent texture enables efficient oil release.
Rich green color indicates high oil content. Creamy texture, perfect for cold pressing.
Gentle heating optimizes oil extraction efficiency. Temperature carefully controlled, preventing quality loss. Precise temperature control maintains cold press standards. Heat management, preserving nutritional quality. Malaxing breaks emulsion, releasing oil droplets. Critical step before mechanical pressing. Perfectly malaxed paste, ready for oil extraction. Texture optimized for maximum yield. Centrifugal force separates oil from solid and water. Modern extraction replacing traditional pressing. Extreme centrifugal force separates by density. Oil, water, and solids naturally stratify.
3 distinct phases emerge separated. Oil, water, and solids completely divided.
Temperature-controlled transfer maintains quality. Crude oil moving to clarification.
Natural settling clarifies crude oil. Gravity separating suspended particles over time.
Chemical analysis verifies extra virgin quality. Acidity and oxidation within strict standards. Final filtration creates crystal clear appearance. Membrane filters removing microscopic particles. Crystal clear filtered oil, ready for bottling. Premium appearance, matching quality. Nitrogen atmosphere prevents oxidation. Inert gas preserving freshness and nutrients.
Temperature-controlled storage maintains quality. Processed oil ready for bottling.
Bottling line prepared for packaging. Clean bottles ready for oil filling.
Bottle sterilization ensures product protection. Clean containers critical for shelf life.
Precision positioning ensures accurate filling. Automated alignment for consistent portions. Volumetric filling ensures exact portions. Precision measurement every bottle.
Rich green oil filling crystal clear bottles. Color quality visible through glass. Consistent fill level with proper headspace. Precision enabling quality packaging.
Nitrogen flush prevents oxidation in bottle. Preservation starting at packaging.
Automated capping creates airtight seal. Protection maintaining oil quality.
Inspection verifies proper sealing. Quality control ensuring package integrity. Labels provide required information and branding. Regulatory compliance and marketing combined. Automated labeling ensures perfect placement. Consistent application at production speed.
Labeled bottles showing professional presentation. Product identity complete and attractive. Lot coding enables complete traceability. Every bottle identified for quality tracking.
Random sampling ensures consistent quality. Statistical testing verifying production standards.
Laboratory testing verifies chemical and sensory quality. Comprehensive analysis ensuring standards.
Acidity testing confirms extra virgin grade. Low acidity indicating minimal degradation.
Peroxide testing measures oxidation level. Low values confirming freshness preservation.
Expert tasters verify flavor quality. Sensory evaluation detecting any defects.
Metal detection prevents contamination. Safety system protecting consumers.
Quality approved bottles ready for case packing. Individual packaging complete. Shipping cases formed for secondary packaging. Protection during distribution prepared. Dividers prevent bottle contact during shipping. Protection engineered into packaging.
Robotic precision packs bottles systematically. Automated counting ensures accuracy. Systematic arrangement protects and optimizes space. Efficient packing for distribution. Professional packing combines protection with presentation. Quality visible in details.
Weight verification confirms accurate count. Automated quality control through measurement. Secure sealing protects case contents. Tamper-evident closure, ensuring integrity.
Case labels enable logistics and inventory tracking. External marking for distribution.
Complete information enables efficient distribution. Logistics data clearly displayed.
Sealed cases ready for final bulk packaging. Palletizing operation approaching.
Random audits verify packing quality. Sampling ensures standards maintained. Interior inspection confirms proper arrangement. Quality standards verified. Quality approved cases advance to palletizing. Final bulk packaging beginning.
Standard pallets prepared for load building. Foundation for stable shipping units. First layer establishes stable foundation. Systematic arrangement begins load building.
Interlocking pattern creates structural stability. Engineering optimizes load integrity.
Layer by layer building creates stable pallet. Progressive stacking to shipping height.
Completed pallet ready for protective wrapping. Stable load achieved through precise stacking.
Stretch film prepared for load securing. Transparent protection ready for application. Automated wrapper begins load protection. Mechanical securing ensures consistency.
Base wrapping anchors film securely. Foundation for complete load protection.
Spiral wrapping unifies pallet into single unit. Multiple passes ensure secure protection.
Controlled tension ensures tight, secure wrap. Proper stretch, preventing load movement.
Corner reinforcement protects stress points. Extra film ensuring load stability.
Complete wrapping protects entire load. Full encapsulation achieved. Inspection verifies wrapping quality. Protection integrity confirmed. Identification labels enable inventory tracking. Complete logistics information applied.
Forklift begins transport to warehouse storage. Material handling protecting product.
Smooth hydraulic lift maintains load stability. Professional handling prevents damage.
Internal logistics connecting production to storage. Journey to climate-controlled warehouse.
Climate-controlled warehouse maintains product quality. Temperature monitoring ensuring optimal storage. Organized warehouse maximizes storage efficiency. Climate control throughout facility. Digital systems track every pallet location. Real-time inventory management. Barcode scanning creates digital inventory record. Automatic database updating.
System directs placement to optimal location. Organized navigation through warehouse.
Strategic placement considers rotation and access. Organized storage enabling efficiency.
Secure placement on structural support. Load safely transferred to storage. Protected inventory in climate-controlled storage. Quality preserved until distribution. Organized inventory representing production output. Systematic storage maximizing capacity. Continuous monitoring maintains optimal storage conditions. Automated climate control protecting quality. Storage conditions within specification. Environmental control maintaining product integrity.
First in, first out ensures product freshness. Systematic rotation maintaining quality.
Warehouse at capacity with finished product. Efficient storage maximizing space.
Inventory management guiding distribution planning. Data informing logistics decisions.
Environmental logs document storage conditions. Record keeping ensuring quality compliance.
Finished goods inventory ready for distribution. Production journey complete from farm to warehouse. Order fulfillment beginning from organized inventory. Systematic retrieval for distribution.
Distribution documentation accompanies physical goods. Information enabling logistics. Selected inventory moving from storage to distribution. Journey to customers beginning.
Loading dock organized for efficient distribution. Multiple orders staged systematically.
Final inspection before shipping departure. Quality verification protecting brand reputation.
Complete system from production to distribution. Organized logistics managing premium product.
Climate control operates continuously. Product protection maintained day and night. Digital records document complete journey. Traceability from orchard to warehouse storage.